to humanities, I think it's very good in terms of methodology, but also resources and professors, and academic life in Germany is, as far as I'm concerned, a very good surrounding. And the whole interaction between professors and students was quite stimulating.
Well, if we forget about those organizational problems, all the other support was quite excellent from the colleagues, also libraries, laboratory, equipment, and the technical stuff that helps with the measurements, with the calibration, instruments and everything. That was quite excellent. Well, there is evident influence in profession, also in private life, in profession, of course, because I have learned about things and I've seen things there, and tried to become a part of the whole approach, of the whole structure, and of course that changed a lot my personal opinion. And privately also, I feel quite rich every time when I come back from there, because I'm richer for 3, 5, 10 new people that I know, not only from Germany but also from the other countries who are coming in Germany with the same ideas.
Well, my stay in Germany had pretty negative consequences over my personal life because I just started a relationship before I departed to Germany, so the whole time it was kind of crazy trying to stay in touch and so on. But as speaking about professional influences on my professional life and future career, I think it was decisive in many respects, and not only in a way that I went there and I learned to know something, some sound wisdoms or something like that, but it's just seeing how things in the field of art history, art theory can be approached from different perspectives.
For my effect, Germany is the best option in Europe, I think so, and that's one more reason was my knowledge of German language.
I decided to go to Germany because I do think that German education is still the best higher educational system in Europe.
First times when I was staying in Germany, it was 1993, 94, and it was very difficult to get even any kind of visa for traveling. But I was trying, and after some time, one of the positive results were from firstly from the AD. It was quite usual situation for me to spend some time in Germany, so visiting some places was much more interesting for me than buying things or bringing something here. Discipline and serious approach to work, that is the main thing that I'm missing.
Yeah, a lot of things, because work here and work there, it's totally different organization, and it's more organized.
And I always was saying back to that time and today that a perfect society would be a combination of Serbia and Germany. So like some sense of freedom and these kind of personal relations instead of respecting absolutely abstract norms and standards when you can mix actually real human beings. And this sense of German responsibility and work ethics, that would be just great.
I encourage them not to miss it. It's really one life opportunity.
And what I also find very important, that was my case, to find some people who do not speak any other language but German.
Just do not lose too much time thinking and asking questions. Apply once, twice, 3 times, whatever. If first application doesn't work, no problem, next bill.
go to Germany, try to learn as much as you can, and then if you want to come back, if you want to go somewhere else, but I think that experience will be a lifelong experience.